Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the supplier offers a CSV, XML, or API feed and you have login credentials. You export or request a sample product feed so you know field names. This avoids mapping errors later. Once done, open Shopify admin with full permissions, confirm your shipping zones and tax settings, and create a test product to validate format. This first step saves time because correct field names and admin access eliminate common import failures when you begin mapping. You now map supplier feed fields to Shopify columns, match title, handle, SKU, price, inventory quantity, and weight. If you use the Shopify CSV importer, format columns exactly. If supplier provides an API, choose a connector app or write a webhook integration for continuous sync. Once done, test with 5 to 10 representative products to catch variant and image path issues. Make sure to normalize image URLs and variant options so Shopify displays correctly and inventory updates are reliable during the sync. You finish by enabling scheduled or automated syncing so inventory and price changes flow from the supplier into Shopify. After the first full import, verify pricing rules, shipping profiles, tax assignments, and fulfillment locations to avoid order holds. Once done, monitor logs and order samples for 24-48 hours. If something fails, check supplier feed logs, remap the problematic fields, clear caches in any middleware, and revert to your test import backup. This single troubleshooting approach fixes most synchronization errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.